Are you looking for a new free motion quilting design? Take a stroll through the garden. Today we will be adding flower petals to the Swoon block. I'm Andy and this is True Blue Quilts, a place to enjoy, experiment, and excel as you quilt. For petals, we can again kind of modify some of the designs we have worked with earlier in this 30-day challenge. Our flame tends to look like a petal. As you connect those, you can square off the top a little bit and do more of a daisy shape. And since I didn't put my center in there, that one's getting a little awkward. If you had a circle center to go around, it would be easier to draw your petals. I also like to do a dip in the top. I call this my tooth petal because it looks a little bit like a human tooth, those kind of cartoony ones with the roots, you know, and the big broad top. And I love doing this type of flower for a hibiscus flower there. It really has that tropical feel. So for the Swoon block, there's several different shapes that we can fill with our petals as we are trying to draw those, and we can stack the shapes. So if we do our bulb idea first, based on that flame shape that we have used in previous videos, we'll put that in the center as we stitch out to those points. And I'm adding the little detail line in the center there. And then come out and maybe draw our tooth shape on those bigger ones. But again, I am keeping it connected to that center point. It's almost as if we are drawing a heart, but we're not dipping in far enough for a traditional heart. And I want to practice drawing these things upside down so that when we are quilting, we don't have to stop and move things. And that one didn't have a flat top at all, but that's okay. Nature is not always perfectly symmetrical. And then if you wanted some more little leafy tendrils in that outer portion, you could do those at the same time or travel again as we practice our petals here in this block. But we want to fill up all our shapes to get practice with that motif and moving around the block in all different directions. So we have a variety of petals in our Swoon block. Explore more floral quilting designs in the video below. Did you know there's a companion workbook for this sketch series? Find that at truebluequilts.com. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.